sing happy birthday to her? Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Now let me skip you!
There's also another thing. They're not saying unless people ask.
Good company.
Hey,
Wow.
hey.
All right.
How do, people?
All right.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. In here.
Hey,
What?
hey!
What's a hey?
Hey, how you
What are you
doing?
guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this, folks.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure
Come
to
on.
lower this
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Get.
vocal back down and the drums up. Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
no.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Make it happen. Give me some.
Okay, I'll make it happen.
All right,
now
all
get
right.
out of here.
We got it, we
I
got
hate
it.
all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm going to need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. One. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town. But I got you a really fast car.
To the bar.
Okay, wait. It's out in the alley. Hey, guys. Guys.
Continue down the alleyway, guys. Keeping up with the party in front of you. You're running late for the concert and you don't want to miss a thing. So continue moving all the way forward, all the way down. Do not stop to watch the LA traffic.
Attention in Rock and Roller Coaster. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Please remain seated.
Don't worry. But don't worry. Just right here on LA's classic rock station. Exit to your right. All right, Aerosmith is taking the stage. Whoa, check out Steven Tyler's hat. Okay, Ellie, crank it up, because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast.
We're only just getting started.
Bill St. James here, broadcasting live from the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in town is heading to this show, so there's traffic everywhere you go. But don't worry, we have this concert covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station. To your right and rock on.
Hello, LA. It's Bill St. James broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. I almost didn't make it in time because traffic is jammed in all directions, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station. St. James at the Aerosmith concert. Traffic's jammed out there, so if you're stuck in your car on your way to this concert, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
Suck on, guys.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Been training for 2 months.